Hey everyone, Scott here from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best backpacks with wheels for kids. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with J World New York Sunrise Rolling Backpack. The J World New York Sunrise Rolling Backpack is your go-to bag if you're looking for a versatile kids backpack that makes carrying heavy loads a breeze. It effortlessly converts from a rolling bag with wheels to a comfortable backpack with shoulder straps suitable for ages 8 and up. It features a large main compartment that can fit big textbooks, a laptop, your lunch, and other small items. Its roomy compartments and an organizer pocket help keep everything tidy and separated. Despite its generous compartment size, the bag is generally compact, letting you use it as an underseat carry-on luggage. Made with durable ripstop polyester fabric, water-resistant coating, and a molded rubber bottom to prevent wear, this bag guarantees durability with proper usage. You'll appreciate its smooth rolling with its large rubber wheels and telescoping handle. EKUIZAI Girls Trolley Backpack. Looking for a complete school set that's both practical and stylish? The EKUIZAI Girls Trolley Backpack set is a cute and colorful option featuring rich, bright graffiti designs that are perfect for girls and easy to match with clothes. This versatile set includes an insulated lunch bag and pencil pocket to minimize the potential hazard of pointy pencils and other stationery. The backpack is made from water and stain-resistant fabric, so there is no fear of rainy days or frequent washing. The bag is also impressively lightweight at only 0.55 kilograms, enabling your kid to comfortably carry it around on the shoulder or pull it on the 6-wheel trolley design to climb stairs. GRUOTEIS Black Boys Rolling Backpack. Unlike the J World and EKUIZAI rolling backpacks, the GRUOTEIS Black Boys Rolling Backpack has a unique design with its removable trolley system without any tools. This convenience allows you to easily use it as a rolling bag or a traditional backpack without wheels with a few adjustments. Like most contemporary rolling bags, the bag's trolley system contains 6 wheels, enabling it to be pulled up and down a stairway. On top of that, it features widened and breathable shoulder straps and a padded back panel for comfort when worn. Like its J World and EKUIZAI counterparts, the backpack's high-density nylon fabric is water and abrasive resistant, guaranteeing durability. Which is the best? The GRUOTEIS Black Boys Rolling Backpack is the best backpack with wheels for kids due to its unique tool-free removable trolley system. This allows easy conversion between rolling and traditional backpack use. Its 6-wheel trolley design handles stairs easily, while the widened padded straps ensure comfort when worn. Thanks for watching.